Hello everyone, my name is Alex Gomez, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to polypaint stylized eyes in Zbrush. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post a video every Friday. Okay guys, so for creating the eyes, what we're gonna be doing, we're just gonna append sphere 3D. Let's append the sphere 3D. I'm gonna rotate it. Let's make sure that I'm in the right subtool. Just rotate it. Pressing shift, it just snaps to the right degrees. There you go. Let's scale it down. Let's place it where the eye should be. Scale it down a little bit more. Okay, probably around there. I'm gonna turn off my polyframe. So I want to see the geometry where I'm gonna paint. I'm gonna go to C plugin, and then I'm gonna go to subtool master and mirror, and mirror in one subtool. Okay. I'm gonna make sure that my symmetry is on, pressing X. Then I'm gonna go close to my eye. I'm gonna select the hard brush, RP brush. I'm gonna select the color black. Oh, first I'm gonna go with the color white, and I'm gonna fill that color. So let's go to color and fill object. After filling object, I'm gonna go to color black, and instead of freehand stroke, I'm gonna select drag rectangle, and the alpha is gonna be an alpha 12. Then I can go right in the middle and drag the shape. But if you can see here, it's really low resolution. So before I do that, I'm gonna press Ctrl D a couple of times so I can just get a better resolution to it. So let's go back to my fill and let's draw the circle again. Perfect. Okay, if I turn it off, and you see that this is a better resolution. Then I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to give it probably like let's go with that kind of like a yellowish color. So now I'm going to do exactly the same. This time I have to make sure that I'm going right from the middle of my sphere. And there you go. Let's turn off the polyframe just to check, and that's looking good. I'm gonna turn this off for now, and then I'm gonna paint a little bit of highlights and some shadows in this side. So I'm gonna change my brush to the soft brush. I'm gonna pick this color, but I'm gonna make it lighter, probably around there, and I'm gonna kind of like paint a little bit this part here. There you go. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of shadow here. So I'm gonna select this color, pressing C, and I'm gonna make a little bit darker this part. And I'm just gonna go very zero on this part here. Okay. Let's do this. Not too much. I think that's good. Okay. Then I'm gonna go with my fill polyframe. I'm gonna change my brush to my hard brush again, and then I'm gonna drag, but this time it's gonna be a black color. So let's go with the black, and let's drag my pupil right there. Okay, so perfect. Let's turn this off. So I have, that's how I do kind of like the stylized eyes colors, poly paint, which is very simple. And then I can just go with a white. I turn off symmetry, and I just drag one here and drag another one here, and drag one here and drag another one here, just to give it some highlights. And this is pretty much my process, how I do my stylized eyes. So I hope you guys like it, enjoy it. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, comment, and follow me on Instagram as well at GomezArt3D. So take care and have an amazing weekend, guys. Bye.